SEO. Every professional services firm knows they need to do it, but it's the thing that confounds us the most. What is SEO? SEO is simply getting the right audience to your content by use of relevant keywords. And the best way to think about SEO is a balance across three key concepts. That is volume. How often are people searching for this, and how many people on a monthly basis? How difficult is a particular keyword to rank for? And how relevant is it to the audience that you're trying to drive to that particular piece of content? Well, the good news is that while it's fairly complex to figure out the right keyword, much of this can be done for free using Google. So the first thing we would encourage you to do is just go to Google and type in the keyword or phrase that you're considering. And once you do that, you get a series of other ideas, keyword ideas, that you can consider. The next thing that you want to do after that is to go to Google Trends. This shows the interest level and volume of a particular keyword or phrase over time. Very important to consider. And lastly, you would want to go to Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This helps identify the volume and competitive level of a particular keyword. Now here, if you look at the bottom of the screen in the red circle, you see the word low. Google AdWords Planner gives you low, medium, high for levels of difficulty. It may be more instructive for you to use something that has a paid subscription and tells you the actual number of the competitive ranking. That way you can map that number to your own domain authority. Now, this is a pretty complex process, and if you're interested in learning more, I would encourage you to go to hingeuniversity.com and check out our Visible Firm course, where we explain in great detail all the whys and wherefores of SEO. Looking forward to seeing you there.